Good morning from Burleigh Heads. Cheers. Welcome to a new video. So today we wanted to take you on a little adventure around Burleigh. Where else would you rather start? At the village markets. So far, walking into the village markets, it looks so beautiful. The colours. It's such a vibe, and it makes you like really happy that you're supporting small local family businesses. Hopefully you can hear us. We've got an amazing singer behind us, and I literally can't get over how amazing she is. I want to buy her album. Do people still buy albums? Right? I hope you guys enjoy this video and inspire you guys to check out the village markets in Burleigh when you're around this area. It's so fun. They're on fortnightly. The village markets is right here. It's over there, and we're here, but we're just like over here jamming, aren't we? Yep, jamming. We can't sit still because she's so good. Hey. Yeah. Let's get into the video. How's the colours? So pretty. First juice. I'm gonna get this one. I'll get watermelon. Is there a watermelon-y one? Yeah, that one. Wonderful. Thank you. Cheers. Oh, yum. These are so good, aren't they? I love that they're pressed, not in a bottle. It's really good. This one, I think I want the dented ones. Get the dented one. Yeah. You like the little dent, remember? I like the little dent. I like the little dent. The little dent. I got a little dent on the cheek there. Oh, that's so cute. Do you make these?
I don't. I get a lady down in New South Wales to make them. So they're all handmade. She uses like Australian natural ingredients, all like really nice clays, all vegan and stuff. What about these? So that's what happens when you soak it into the water and you just to cleanse your skin with water, yeah. Cool. Like I found it's cleared my skin up so much just from using that.
Good.
Are they just different colours? There's nothing...
So they've just got some added clay into them. So there's the green tea, the pink clay, the charcoal, and then the natural one.
It's eco-friendly tape. You like wet it and it sticks. That's cool. Rustic Peppermint, and we spoke about Rustic Peppermint in our vegan beauty box unboxing, which we tagged just here. Check it out, because we got some good feedback on that. We did this one.
How are you, ladies? Good, how are you?
We're just saying we've tried this one, it was in the box.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, I've been in the vegan box a few times, like with deodorants and things.
Love these.
They're so nice, hey?
Yeah, so nice. Deodorant. I'm gonna try some. Original Fresh Pits. I think this one. It's probably really germy, but you know what?
Look what I like. I like the rose water.
That smells good.
What? That's really
And the
nice.
consistency's really smooth.
Wow.
It's all natural and handmade.
Lovely. Is this your creation?
Yes.
Well done. What is your first name?
Steph.
Steph, nice to meet you. I love your products.
Yeah, we've been going for 4 years now.
Oh, wow.
Your life is going to be complete once you've had one of these. Oh, wow, is that right? So we got lunch at Mio Wraps.
Yes. They're like deliciously healthy.
Gluten-free and vegan options. I think the wrap's actually made of buckwheat.
Yeah.
Buckwheat. How do you even eat this? Oh my gosh, these are literally amazing. These
Is it mushroom?
These taste better than what they look. Looks like it tastes like lettuce. Do you know what I mean? But these actually have so much flavour. I'm shocked.
Oh,
Look at that goodness. So the wrap consistency is like it's like a crepe. Can you see that?
Oh, this is so filling. Very filling. Filling.
The Village Markets is right near a school. So believe it or not, we're sitting in a school. I mean, we saw a chair in the shade and that was very alluring. It's so hot today. Literally like the beginning of spring. And it feels like summer already.
So it's 1:45, 26 degrees. It's just beautiful.
That was amazing. It all fell out at the bottom. Look at all the leftovers at the bottom. Probably the best markets I've been to be honest. Everything's eco-friendly. Like if you're vegan, it's really easy to find a yummy lunch. The only downfall is it's very hard to pick
Oh, I know.
A lunch.
We wanted to support
every
them
single
all.
one. I know.
And the quality of the food, like, do you know these markets are actually award-winning? It's an award-winning boutique.
Yep. I see
market.
why.
I still can't get over the music, sorry, but I'm gonna rabble on about that all day, and I'm gonna play it in the car because
She's on Spotify. She's actually on Spotify. We bumped into a few ladies and
I know one lady was like, "Look at the goosebumps
I
up
had
my
goosebumps.
arm," and then I started
Kerrie
crying.
cried.
I'm like, I feel goosebumps just listening to her voice.
Yeah. I just want to hang out with her. I know. Renee so kindly bought some of our favourite snacks.
I haven't tried these ones before. Different flavours. Blue dinosaur bars. So obviously, Mum, are you jealous? Cheesecake. Cheesecake? Are you kidding? And white chocolate.
Oh.
Right?
Do you know what I reckon? If anyone's going to get that flavour right, it'll be Blue Dinosaur.
Yep. Which one should we try first? Let's do white chocolate.
Okay.
So far, you know what? It's a very hot day and
Oh,
it's
they've been in your
really
bag.
starting to melt. See that? Cheers. It smells very chocolatey. It actually tastes like oh I know, Loving Earth. Tastes like Loving Earth
Tastes
chocolate.
like chocolate.
Wait, what the hell?
That's
They put Loving Earth chocolate in it.
it. You can't beat the Blue
No.
Dinosaur.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like a dessert.
Oh, I can't wait for the cheesecake.
This is the cheesecake one. This one's a bit melted as well. Look. How good does that look?
Wow.
The texture's very different.
Soft. I think this would be better if you took it out of the fridge. Like a cheesecake.
I think so too, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. The texture is like the base of a cheesecake. Like it's really soft and like fine. I can see why they put cheesecake as the heading because it's got that like tangy
base.
cheesecake base.
That makes sense.
I just
to me.
said that. Okay. You could put like
Oh, we can make a cheesecake.
you could
now.
put cheesecake bit on top of it like that. Wow, I'm speechless. Blue Dinosaur, you nailed that. We're back in the car and we're in the parking lot of Pack Fair because we, oh my god, funny story, we actually called JB Hi-Fi this morning. No, not JB, it was the camera house because we've only got one battery, and if you watched the last vlog that we did, we ran out of battery. Ran out of charge.
Basically rookie fail.
Rookie fail. So we called the camera house this morning and they have M50 batteries and then they put one aside and they're charging it up for us. How cool is that?
Nice.
So nice. So we're here to pick up our second battery and
Anyway, excited to think that finally someone has a battery in stock for our beautiful new recruit. Oh yeah, this is me. Who's strapped up with that.
So that's at its lowest percentage. Then you can obviously brighten it up. And then you can also change the temperature.
Yeah.
And then you can also change the colour.
Disco. No.
oh, do you just put it on the top there?
You actually wouldn't think that we were in a shop right now.
Whoa.
Wow, look at it.
That's cool.
Change the temperature.
Oh, I look like I've got a tan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the benefit of your LED
That's cool.
lights
Yeah, I
compared
like
to your
that.
ring lights.
Can we grab one, please?
Yeah.
We just got a light, a mic and a new battery.
Thanks, Ashley from Camera House.
Who are we? We're stepping up the game, guys. We're giving you some good quality content now.
I just want to go home and
Unwrap it and just try it all out.
New toy.
Do we undo yours?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, we just got to park.
Yes! You know when you ask the parking angels for a car park and look.
Voila, we literally got to park right near the beach and the park. We're going to turn the car off before. Cheers!
Oh, I'm so excited. Hey, there's salted caramel.
Salted caramel and then they're full of protein because I feel like I need the protein.
Gluten free, no added sugar.
I can't believe you got this park.
Oh! That's because I'm so useless at opening packets.
That's so good.
Oh my god.
Right, it's time your body and your taste agreed on something.
Whoever does this does such a good job.
This is a good brand. How did we not come across this earlier? We've just stopped at Burleigh Beach. So we came from Pack Fair. We got the goodies from Camera Warehouse.
Got a few more goodies that we weren't actually expecting to get, but shit, eh?
I'm so excited for this next part of the adventure. Walking on the beach, getting my feet in the sand, in the water, that sun, the wind. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday. Things that we want: wine, pizza, and oh no, we've ticked off the toilet already. So to finish off our Sunday, we decided to head over to a restaurant called Justin Lane, and we're gonna actually pick up a takeaway vegan pizza, but then we discovered a feed me vegan menu to share. So
the curiosity got to us when we went, stuff it, let's eat in.
So we obviously got some espresso martinis. Quite strong. If you haven't heard of the Feed Me Vegan menu at Justin Lane, it is $39 per person, which we thought was really good value because we left Justin Lane feeling very satisfied.
First up to start, we shared 5 different entrees.
First entree plate that came out was the mixed marinated olives, and these were so nice. And just letting you know, they have seeds in them, so don't do what I did and chomp on it. Oh, there's seed in it. The next entree was pickled beetroot salsa di gnocchi, a little hack. Roll it up like a taco. Oh my gosh, it tasted so good. Just the texture, like the crunchy walnuts with the soft beetroot. The next entree that came out was the caprese tomato basil balsamic. I know it just looks like tomato on a plate, but this has so much flavor, like fresh basil on top of the tomatoes. Definitely approve.
Good combo.
Good combo. So the fourth thing that came out was flatbread rosemary garlic sea salt. This was so nice. It had vegan cheese and the flatbread was like crunchy.
Definitely got a thumbs up for that one.
And then the last entree was the bruschetta roasted shallots, pickled fennel and chili. Kerrie really liked this one, didn't you? Like the pickles on top of the bruschetta was really nice.
That was like a sauerkraut.
It was a bit like sauerkraut.
It was like sauerkraut. I really enjoyed it.
You can actually pick a pizza or a pasta. We chose 2 pizzas. So the 2 pizzas that we ordered was zucchini, cherry tomato, caramelized onion, pesto, and fior di latte. I was kind of struggling to pick another pizza because all of them look amazing. So I asked our waitress and her favorite was the eggplant, red capsicum, oregano, olives, garlic, fior di latte, and pine nuts. She was right, this one was really good. Kerrie's favorite. These pizzas were amazing. Probably the best vegan pizzas I've had.
Thank you so much for watching. We've had a beautiful day here in Burleigh.
We'll see you next week because we upload every Thursday.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching so much. We'll
Love
see
you.